guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing sort of a card folio with you guys, and it is a tutorial, so let's take a quick look at the end result. This is, like I said, kind of a folio since it has two pockets here on the front and as well here in the back. So this entire card is in fact two pockets, and I'm showing you in the tutorial how to create those. So I stuck 4 larger tags into the pockets, also used a smaller tag here on the front, decorated with all kinds of niceness. These are Tim Holt's chipboard sentiments. I can show you. These are his quote chips, and he produced them with ideology. I'm not sure if they are still available, I don't think so, but at least you have an idea what I use. So these are all chipboard, and then I cut them into 2 pieces and used several embellishments on the front of the card. On the inside, a pocket here, an extra tag here. I created this tag myself because I really needed 8 tags, because this card we will write with 8 persons and give it to the 9th, as it were. So I had to create another tag, and I sprayed it and inked it and used several kinds of stencils. And there you go. And I will also stick a gift card into this pocket here. This says bedankt, which is thank you in Dutch. Smaller tags here. This is also a pocket. And these tags came with a collection, a fancy tag set by AliExpress, like the paper. Let me insert some video here. Then you can see the small 6x6 inch paper pad that I bought with the tag set. And I will show you more of the papers during the tutorial. And this is the back. I love this clock and time theme because this is actually a saying goodbye card, because a colleague is moving on, different career choice, and so this is a waving goodbye card. Now this I want to show you. I found these on AliExpress, and they are called pet stickers, so P-E-T. I'm not sure if that is an abbreviation of some sort. I think so. Kind of a plastic. And these are all on a transparent base, and I love them. Look how beautiful. I bought 2 packages for now to try them out, so I also have a pink one here. But I'm already hooked. So these are actually stickers, so you have to peel the back off and then you can stick them onto any background. And look, the effect here, it's like it's in the paper. There is no white. I love it. So I wanted to show you those as well. And a little embellishment here, some breads, some stamping, some stenciling. Well, this is all, of course, according to my taste. You can do, of course, anything that you like with your papers. Here I did some stenciling as well, but that is all a personal choice. And yeah, so this is the end result. Let's go and create it together. Alright guys, so now we are done. We used 3 6x6 sheets to decorate, and we used only one piece of 12x12 cardstock, and this is the only piece I have left. And of course I also used up almost all of the tags in this tag set. If you don't have a tag set, then you can of course cut and create your own. You know, I also did my own tag here, so I used a cardstock base and then decorated. So that is an easy way to create your own tags. So let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial, guys, and I will see you next time, although I'm not sure when that will be, which makes it, of course, extra important for you guys to press not only the like, but also the bell for notifications after you subscribe to my channel, so you'll never miss anything I upload if and when I upload, because I always do my best to give you some nice creative ideas. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully till next time. Bye bye.